Mr. Chairman is always up.
Mbere ya kamiti ya kigina ya Senate, murekereria wa kigina kia thirikari na cia matũra-inĩ Margaret Nyakango atemanĩtie mitangĩko ya wabici yake, akiuga unyibu wa kigina kiria magayagĩrwo o mwaka unĩte moko na kuima mayo wabici yake thirikari-inĩ nene ona matũra-inĩ.
Due to inadequate funding, my office has not been able to monitor the implementation of projects at the national government level.
Nyakango erete kamiti ino ati budget ya ciringi bilioni 1.6 iria mendekithĩtie mwaka-inĩ mũtheru wa kigina mabeirwo ciringi milioni 700 na niguo budget iyo ikinyanire marabatara kuongererwo ciringi milioni 579 mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026.
You provide this committee with what you believe could be the cause why the uptake of the system is not happening with government ministries and parastatals even before you move to the county government's implementation.
We have both issues with the quality and the numbers of staffing at the county. Then there is lack of capacity building of these officers, which, as you have seen, has been allocated 0. Then we need automation. Automation has been allocated 0. So how are we going to improve the speed of exchequer requisition?
Murekereri uyu wa kigina augite gatagata-ini ka bonge iria itare na kigina gia kuigana ni bamwe na misara ya aruti a wira na mathomo mao, usabithia wa ndumiriri cia bata kuri mũingĩ ona kigina gia kurunga iciba imwe cia mawatho maria marabuthira.
We have been wanting to present this, and Honorable Chair, you are aware, I think I intimated to you that we need to do public participation for us to resubmit the COB regulations as well as the amendments to the COB Act. Now, we have been given 0. So that tells you that within this coming financial year, we still cannot do the COB regulations, neither can we make any amendments to the COB Act as envisaged.
I know many Kenyans don't even know that you have liaison officers at the county level. But like the liaison officer we have in Kisii County has no furniture in his office. It doesn't have even laptops. It doesn't have the personnel that can even go around and verify some of the things that are happening. So I would hope and wish that my colleagues will sincerely, I think for the first time, let us just make sure that we are able to give you the tools which are going to help you make sure that you fight this fight we are fighting.
Kamiti ino iranĩire gwĩka ũrĩa ĩngĩbota mendekithia-inĩ ma riboti yao nĩguo wabici ya mũrekereria wa kigina yongererwo kigina kĩrĩa ĩrabatarania. Unyibu wa kigina nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa mũthũrimi wa mathabu Margaret Nyakango augĩte ũkoretwo ũgĩcokia rũbonge rũrũ na thutha. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV ndĩcikaro-inĩ cia bunge kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, njĩtagwo Masi wa Mũrĩithi.